What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be transforming a brand new Ford Bronco with some new custom interior. Let's get into today's video. All right, what we got here is this fine specimen, this new Bronco. It's an Outer Banks edition. As you know, it's a Sasquatch Outer Banks edition. There's a lot of different setups or different specs for these Broncos. This is pretty cool. It has some pretty meaty tires. It does come with a kind of like a vinyl leather interior that's like a blue with the Bronco insignia kind of built in, which is not bad. It looks really good. Customers looking for a little bit something more rugged, a little bit different. As you know, we've been building a couple of our interiors with like the whiskey, the tumbleweed, which is out of the bank, out of Napa leather that we've used. And this is going to be something pretty crazy. It's going to be really rugged. So we're going to take the seats apart so we get ready for some upholstery.
Some upholstery for my boy Adrian and his wife.
Yeah, are you ready to do that? Have we done like on a newer one this style of interior? I know we do it on the old school.
I mean, not with this style, but we've done multiple new Broncos, but this one should be fun.
All right, you ready to take them out?
Let's do it.
Good morning, happy Monday. We're starting off fresh. We've got the Bronco set up here. We're gonna start taking off the door panels. As you can see, the seats are out. We are gonna wrap this to match, so we're gonna take the dash apart, take these panels off so we can wrap them. I'm gonna pull off the 4 doors and we can start wrapping this. Alright, so I got all the components out. We got the upper dash off, lower dash. Had to disassemble the stereo and pull that out of the way. Console, seats, door panels, and that'll get me going in the upholstery room. But we're not done with this thing. This thing is gonna get an exterior makeover, and we are gonna be painting all the black plastics that you see on the car body color. And that's right. This piece too, the complete hardtop. So I think it's gonna just look a lot better. I think that's where, you know, that separation when you paint it all matches, like with the color, it's gonna look a lot nicer. So we're gonna hand it over to the body shop and have the guys start taking all the bumpers off, get that ready for paint. Me and Juanito will finish up the upholstery, so a tapizar. All right, now that we have the dash ready, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. We'll have the bottom one next and finish putting the dash together. Got a couple panels done. It's looking really good. I'll finish showing the rest of it. Get the seats mounted up.
Alright, so one of the last things that we gotta do on this thing is put the emblem on. The little Bronco emblem. So we're trying to get the correct placement all the way through. I think that's looking really good right around there. We'll get some measurements and we'll see what the final item looks like. Alright guys, and here it is. We're all wrapped up. I'm here with my boy Adrian. Now, the way that this build is very special is that this is actually something for all you guys watching at home that you don't really know what you're gonna do in your life. Maybe you're younger, you're trying to pick a career path. About 15 years ago, I was a pretty troubled kid, and I was doing probably shit that I was not supposed to. But that doesn't mean that my path was chosen for me, right? There's always so much that you can do. But Adrian got in contact with me to customize his Bronco, and we had lunch and we reconnected, and now his Bronco is fully done. Let's go over it. Let's get his reaction. A brief overview before these guys get over here. We ended up doing inserts, dash, seats, front and rear, and the rear door panels as well. Armrest, and it just kind of gives it in this nice this is a synthetic leather, so it's not real leather, but or what they would call, like in the new Teslas, the vegan leather, right? But it keeps cost at a great price, and it gives you still that rustic leather look and feel. So this thing just came out good. Again, we wanted something really nice and clean. Kept the Bronco embroidered on there for them as well, and didn't want it to pop out too much, so we kept a neutral color that kind of matches everything. Kept some nice French seams all through here, and I'm very happy with how this thing came out. They should be here soon. Let's see what they think. All right guys, introduce yourselves to the channel.
How's it going, channel? Adrian Elegato here.
Nicole Elegato.
Nice.
Good, that's good.
And you guys are seeing it here. I know we guys got some teasers, got to see exactly what we did, but I'm gonna walk you guys through it one more time, and I'm gonna just get you guys' initial reaction. All right?
Absolutely.
So initially, when these things come out from the factory, you kind of have like this textured like bumpers and the flares and the hardtop. And one thing that Adrian wanted was a full white Bronco, so everything. So we took the bumpers off, flares off, hardtop off. We sanded them, primed them, and painted them in the ColorMatch white. We got rid of the Outer Banks emblem, and then we went ahead and added the old school Bronco script. That was Adrian's choice. And then we also did a little bit of a blackout on the tail lights. But one thing that he really wanted to really change it up, because initially these Broncos, they're beautiful cars, but where they lack is the interior.
Correct, absolutely.
And
Definitely.
One thing that he asked was to do a real nice saddle brown interior, and take a look at that.
Look at that.
I mean, if that doesn't change the whole look and the whole feel of the car, I don't know what does. So
Oh,
Absolutely.
man.
what do you guys think with the execution of everything. What do you guys think?
It's incredible. It's flawless. It's amazing. I can't believe you did
I can't stop smiling. I
know.
have chills right now.
His dreams come true.
This has been a long time coming, and from beginning to end, dude. Shout out to Oscar. I can't believe this. I mean, the professionalism and me. I'm not that into. I mean, I'm into cars, but not as much as Oscar. And he came in and he gave excellent advice, excellent just ideas, and he ran with it. I gave him a high level idea, and he turned into our dream car. So honestly, we can't be more hyped and proud and just stoked.
Yeah.
So thank you.
It turned out even better than I think we imagined.
I think you guys had the vision, right? And you guys had to kind of talk to me about it. I was like, all right, I kind of know exactly what needed to be done. And I think we did a lot without doing too much, without making it look tacky. I think your vehicle looks beautiful. It is literally, this is a brand new vehicle, guys. It's straight off the lot, straight here. So they haven't even enjoyed it. No. But this weekend, I'm sure you guys are gonna have some fun with it.
Yeah.
Right?
We gave it to him with 4 miles on it. So hot off the press.
A lot of trust, and thank you so much, guys, for giving me the opportunity to do this for you guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are very happy with the outcome, because it was a lot of work, but we got it done here in a good amount of time. Right?
Oh my gosh!
Super quick.
You got it done in 2 weeks, and he's a busy man. I don't know how he fit us in with the holidays and everything, but him and his team. I mean, he took me on a tour of his shop, and his team, the different rooms, the shops he has, just from top to bottom, professionalism up and down. And again, I have no idea how the heck you got this done in time, but you worked your magic, man. Very, very grateful.
It looks really amazing. Good. I'm very proud of it, and this is definitely a 101. You're not gonna see another one of these riding around.
Yeah.
So if people ask, you gotta tell them it's SOS Customs. Send them our way, and we'll trick them out, man. And this is
absolutely.
This is not the first. This is not our first rodeo.
It's not.
But yeah, man, this thing looks amazing. I'm very happy with how it came out. It's just so classy. You know what I mean? Bronco, they should really offer like this package right off the get-go, right? Like, with the matching color hardtop, the matching flares.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, I love it. I love it, man. And I really like the tail lights too, because they're darker, but you can still see them perfectly. You know what I mean? With the black Bronco badge, and just very little things that just make it look so good and complete. All right, guys, and this thing is all wrapped up, almost ready to close out the year. Thank you guys so much for rocking with us this whole year. I know the content has been a little bit slower this year. We've just been super busy, but this upcoming year I plan to take it up a whole nother notch. So thank you guys all for rocking with us for so long, man. This is a dream job. And you guys are amazing. Drop some comments, let us know what you guys think, what you guys want to see more of this year, and drop some good vibes, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give us a follow on our IG and give us a subscribe so you guys can see more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Your SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace.